Hello everyone, Kevin Tran here with Clutch City Insurance, here to give you a brief tutorial on Original Medicare. Now, having Original Medicare by itself could be very, very costly. It is made up of two parts, Part A and Part B. Part A, that's your hospital expense. That's your inpatient hospitalization. So in the event that you stay in the hospital overnight, Part A will cover it. It also covers your skilled nursing facility care, your home health care, and your blood work. So anything of that nature, this will cover it. Your Part B, that's your medical expense. This is your outpatient services, such as your doctor's visits, your surgical procedures, your routine checkups, and your diagnostic services. Anything outpatient, Part B will cover it. So again, having Original Medicare by itself, Part A and B only, can be very, very costly. And if you get sick, it can be very, very expensive for you. So again, Part A, hospital expense, staying in the hospital overnight. Part B, medical expense, any of your outpatient services. Medicare can be very, very confusing, and I can help you with all these costs. I'd love to help you. My name, my number, my email is on the screen. Please reach out anytime. Like I said, I'd love to help. My name is Kevin Tran. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.